video on how to get rid of the hiccups. So bring your shit over here. I'm gonna show y'all real quick how to get rid of the hiccups. It's real simple. That's your work. Still got it.
Shut up. Let me see this.
This is real quick. This is a 30-second to a minute way to get rid of the hiccups. So, if you can hold your breath, you can get rid of the hiccups. So you're gonna wait for the hiccup to appear, and you're gonna hit it. And you're gonna inhale as much as you can. As much as you can until I say stop.
Okay.
Here we go.
Right.
On the next one, I just hit one. So on the next one, we're gonna hit it. I'm gonna show you how to do it. There it goes. Breathe in.
Yeah, go.
Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in.
Get rid of them hiccups. Get rid of them hiccups.
Hold it.
Hold it.
Mexican style.
Hold it. Blow it out. Blow them hiccups out. There's the hiccup. There goes the hiccup.
What do you feel like right now?
Dunzo. In the words of my brother-in-law.
Done.
Hey,
Done.
hey, hey. Done. That's the hiccup. That's
See
done.
you later.
You see how you
Bye. No more.
See how
Just say bye-bye, nigga. Bye-bye.
You want that? Nah, nigga. You want to go, nah.